Did you know that Uber also has a moto section? Let me show you how to book one. I'm quite excited to ride this bike. We have got Bajaj Avenger and it's arriving in 1 minute. Let's get ready. Guys, welcome to Vishakhapatnam Part 2 and we are going to Wooda Park. Sprawling over 55 acres, this park is one of the major attractions of Vizag. This is a perfect place for families looking to spend some leisure time together. Wooda Park is a must-visit destination in Vizag with its beautiful lawns, rich flora, children's park, various fun-filled rides, artificial caves, and a musical water fountain. This park is very close to the RK beach, which we will be visiting in some time. It also has this old lighthouse, which is in a very bad state. I do not recommend anyone to venture inside this old building. This is the RK beach, which we were talking about earlier. We have a beautiful seafront adjoining this beautiful Wooda Park. After spending some time here, I decided to move towards the RK beach. From Wooda Park, RK beach is around 10 to 15 minutes of walkable distance, but I decided to take an Uber so that I can show you what all is there on the roadside. These are all the artifacts which have been built to show the rich, wealthy culture of Vishakhapatnam. On my right, you will see the Victory at Sea War Memorial, which is an Indian memorial constructed after the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. On my right again, you can see a aircraft museum. I will be making a video soon on this. On my left, you can see the INS Kursura. I hope you have watched the video. Now let's enter the RK beach. Now if you have noticed that they have kept some green patches in different locations so that people can even come in the daytime and have a good time here. Let me show you a 360 of this beach. On the far end, on the left side, you can see the lighthouse we just visited. And this is your beach. Enjoy the beach right now because after the pandemic, it will be a different situation for visiting even a beach. So on the right side, you can see a small hillock which looks like a dolphin's nose. The new lighthouse is located there. It is around 50 kilometers from this area. I hope the water just touched your feet and you experienced the real beauty of a beach through this virtual world. On this beach, you will find this bamboo enclosure, and this enclosure is for the olive riddle turtles which have laid eggs. Let me show you in close up. Depending on when they had laid these eggs, they have calculated when they will hatch up and they have given out the dates. This is one of the solar lamps which did catch my attention. On a sunny day like this, what can be best other than having a sweet coconut juice from this local vendor? Thank you for watching this video series. I hope you liked it. Do share and subscribe.